Here we are in section 3.3 with the answers for 20 through 28. It says graph the lines giving 1 point and the slope. Oh ho ho, we get to use our shortcut. That'll be nice. So for number 20, the slope of this, look at this, y is by itself, so there's our slope right there. M equals 6, or if you want to write 6 over 1, that's fine. And hey, there's our intercept. If we stick in 0, we get 10. So we're up at 0, 10 right there. And our slope is up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. Pretty steep there. Good. There's the line. We could write this, I guess we'd be at 1 and up 16 if we wanted another point, but we don't really need it. Number 21. Here's our slope, m equals 4, and the intercept 0, 3. So 0, 3, and the slope is 4. We can write that as 4 over 1 if we make it easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And it's like that. Good. Number 22. Y equals 1/2, slope equals 1/2, and 0 minus 4. So 0, negative 4 is right there. Now this means we rise 1 and run 2. Up 1 over 1, 2 that's our next point right there. I guess we could find out what that was. If we rose 1 and then ran 2, 2, negative 3 is the next point on there. That's pretty cool. Number 23. Here we have x equals negative 6. Y is not by itself, so we can't use any of that. But we know that x equals negative 6 does have negative 6, 0 in it, and negative 6, 2, or whatever. So negative 6, and it's going straight up and down. And you remember what that slope was? That is the undefined, uh-oh, bad news number, because you're going to take 2 minus 0 is 2 over negative 6 minus negative 6. That's 0. 2 over 0. That's where we get the bad number for slope. So slope is undefined on number 23. Number 24. Slope is right there, negative 3/7, and it goes through the point 0, negative 2. I don't know why anybody would pick a different point, but they could if they wanted to. Okay, this is negative 3/7, which means we go down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we go down 3 and over 7. Oops, I missed it a little bit. Down 3 and over 7. Or we could have gone up 3 and backward 7, as long as the negative either is on the 3 or the 7, but only one of them. If you put it on both of them, you go down 3 and backward 7, you end up with a positive slope. Number 25. Slope is right there, 3/4, and it has the point 0, negative 3. So you go to 0, negative 3, that's one of the points, and it has the slope 3/4. So up 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 26. Slope is negative 5/3. It's right there in front of it. And then the point 0, 10/3. Well, that's not very nice to have a fraction, but it's there. 0, 10/3. It's just above 3. And then negative 5/3. So again, we put the negative either on the 5 or the 3. Doesn't matter. I put it on the first one. So I go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So that's the line right there. Good. And number 27. Slope is right there, so m is negative 1/4, so it's going to be at a down 1 over 4 slope once we get the point, and there's our point, 0, 9/4. So we go 0, 9/4 is like there, so go down 1, and then over 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll notice at this point it turns out to be a fraction as well. Just for fun, if we wanted to find that, we're like, okay, we went down 1, so that dropped down to 5/4 because it dropped down 4/4, and then over 4. So that's the next point. You could actually stick that in right there and it would work. Number 28. Y equals 7. Oh, look at that. We're up here where y is 7, and x can do anything it wants. So slope, this is a horizontal line, is 0. It was very interesting with this, and we went through, there's one of the points. It could have been 5, 7, or whatever. But we could also write this as y equals 0x plus 7 if we wanted to. And look at that. The slope is right there, 0. There is no x, so it's like having a 0 in front of it. Good.